Our digital marketing agency Digiland will provide a range of online marketing services to small and medium-sized businesses in Pakistan. Our services will include social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click PPC, advertising, email marketing, and content marketing. Our goal is to help businesses increase their online visibility, attract more customers, and grow their revenue. If you like the video, then press the bell icon and subscribe. Market analysis. The digital marketing industry in Pakistan is growing rapidly, with more and more businesses realizing the importance of online marketing. According to Statista, the digital advertising market in Pakistan is expected to reach $455 million by 2025. The competition in the market is increasing, but there is still significant potential for growth. Target market. Our target market will be small and medium-sized businesses across various industries, including healthcare, hospitality, retail, and technology. We will focus on businesses that have limited in-house marketing resources and need professional help to improve their online presence and attract more customers. Services. We will offer the following services to our clients. Social media marketing. This will include creating and managing social media profiles on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and creating engaging content to increase engagement and followers. Search engine optimization, SEO. This will involve optimizing the client's website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for targeted keywords and phrases. Pay-per-click PPC, advertising. This will include creating and managing online advertising campaigns on platforms such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads to drive targeted traffic to the client's website. Email marketing. This will involve creating and managing email campaigns to promote the client's products and services and drive customer engagement and loyalty. Content marketing. This will include creating high-quality blog posts, articles, and other content to attract and engage the client's target audience. Marketing strategy. We will use a mix of online and offline marketing strategies to promote our services, including search engine optimization, SEO. We will optimize our website for targeted keywords and phrases to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, and attract organic traffic. Social media marketing. We will use social media platforms to promote our services and engage with potential clients. Referral marketing. We will encourage our satisfied clients to refer us to their friends and business partners. Networking. We will attend business events and network with other professionals in the industry to promote our services and build relationships. Financial plan. Our startup costs will include office rent, equipment, software, and initial marketing expenses. We estimate our total startup costs to be around PKR 1,500,000. Our revenue will come from monthly service fees charged to our clients. We plan to charge between PKR 20,000 and PKR 50,000 per month, depending on the services provided. We estimate our monthly revenue to be around PKR 500,000 by the end of our first year of operation, with a net profit margin of around 30%. Conclusion: starting a digital marketing agency in Pakistan requires careful planning and a clear understanding of the market and the target audience. By offering quality services and focusing on building long-term relationships with our clients, we believe we can establish a successful and profitable agency in the competitive digital marketing industry in Pakistan.